Have you ever opened a PDF and wanted to save the images inside it? Taking screenshots one by one reduces quality, and honestly, it wastes a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to extract images from any PDF quickly and for free using VelaPDF. VelaPDF's Extract Images tool allows you to quickly pull out and save images from PDF documents without manually copying anything or taking screenshots. Whether your PDF contains photos, graphics, diagrams, or illustrations, you can extract every single one of them in just a few clicks and at their original quality, not a blurry screenshot version. So why does this matter? PDF files often contain valuable images that you may want to reuse later. Instead of searching through pages one at a time or capturing screenshots that lose resolution, an image extraction tool makes the whole process much faster and easier. With VelaPDF, you can save images without losing quality, reuse those images for other projects like presentations or websites, avoid manual screenshots altogether, quickly collect multiple images from a single document in one pass, and save serious time when you're working with large image-heavy PDFs. Let's walk through exactly how it works. Step 1, open VelaPDF.com and select the Extract Images tool from the homepage or the Tools menu. Step 2, click on Upload PDF and choose the document from which you want to extract images. This could be a report, a study guide, a catalog, anything with visuals inside it. Step 3, after uploading your file, click the Extract Images button. VelaPDF will scan the entire document and automatically find every available image, no matter how many pages the file has. Step 4, once the extraction is complete, you'll be able to preview all the extracted images right in your browser. From there, download the ones you need to your device, either one at a time or all together, depending on what you're working on. And that's it. What used to take screenshots, cropping, and quality loss now takes a few clicks and a few seconds.
This tool comes in handy across a lot of different situations. Designers use it to collect graphics straight from client documents or reference files. Students use it to save diagrams and charts from study materials for their notes. Marketers use it to reuse images from reports and case studies in new content. Businesses use it to extract product images from catalogs or spec sheets. And researchers use it to collect visual data, charts, graphs, and figures from academic papers. Basically, anytime a PDF is standing between you and an image you actually need, this tool removes that barrier and lets you reuse important visuals without any extra effort. Here's why people keep coming back to VelaPDF for this. It's fast image extraction, it maintains full image quality, the upload process is simple, there's no software to install, and it works directly in your browser on any device. With VelaPDF, extracting images from PDFs becomes simple and efficient. You can quickly save exactly the images you need without any complicated steps or extra tools getting in your way. So that's how you can extract images from a PDF using VelaPDF. No screenshots, no manual copying, and no complicated software. Visit VelaPDF.com and extract images from your PDFs in just a few clicks.